I know you have been telling yourself that you buy Safaricom shares, but what we are experiencing right now is just heartaches when you see news that and all headlines that Safaricom shareholders are gaining day by day. Now, welcome back to Finance Focus with Andrew, a platform where we engage in conversation that enhance our financial literacy. And as agreed, every Wednesday, if you come to this channel at exactly 7 p.m., you will find a video about shares or the Nairobi Securities Exchange. If you are new on this platform, welcome aboard, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of our financial tips. Now, today I just want to use the case of Safaricom shares to illustrate what we mean when we say that stocks are a bit risky, but they can give you better than the average return that we get from other financial assets like the money market fund, the treasury bonds. Safaricom always serves as a very good example when it comes to illustrate how you can lose from a share or how you can gain from a share. And right now, headlines are reading how Safaricom shareholders have gained over 50 billion over very few days. Now, to put this into context, today is on the 10th of June 2025, and the Safaricom share price closed at around 22.6 shillings. If you have been keen on the Safaricom share, the Safaricom share had stagnated somewhere at around 17-18 shillings. But over the past 1 month, it has been moving up. So I just want us to go back just a single month behind. From the chart above, you can see that the Safaricom share was around 18 shillings a month ago. And today, the share is trading at around 22.6 shillings. So that indicates a capital gain of 4.6 shillings in a month for the Safaricom share. So for every Safaricom share that you hold, you have had a capital gain of around 4.6 shillings per share. Now, this is an increase in price of about between 23 and 25%, and that is the gain that we are talking about. So that is the return that we are talking about for the month of May. So the return of Safaricom share for the last 1 month, when we check on capital gains, it is somewhere between 23 and 25%. It means that if you had invested 100,000 in Safaricom shares, you got a return of around 23,000 for the past 1 month. So that is quite crazy. 23% compared to the other financial assets that we have in the market is quite high. But you see, a lot of other people lost when Safaricom dropped from a high of around 40 bob to a low of around 13 shillings. But now the share is already on the rise. So that is how you can make money from shares. So the current trade with Safaricom is a very perfect example. So for Safaricom shares, for Safaricom shareholders, if you have been thinking about selling your shares, this might not be the right time to sell them because the company is already showing a positive trajectory. And a few days ago, when they were releasing the Q1 results, the CEO gave their plan for the next 5 years, and they have a very great plan for the company. That from the speech, you could just hear echoes of hope from the CEO. So we expect the company to do better and better. So it might not be the best time to sell. I can just say that maybe Safaricom has just started behaving after stagnating for so long. So that is it. That is the benefit from the capital gain. That is what we mean when we say stocks are risky, but they can offer a better return than other financial instruments in the market. But remember, this is not financial advice. So don't make any financial move with information that was provided from this video. It is not financial advice. It is just for the sake of you having the information of what is trading in the current market. Thank you.